Welcome to Wonder 5. We live in a planet where danger lurks everywhere, but some places are definitely more dangerous than others. In the last decade from 2009 to 2019, around 1 million human casualties are occurred due to the natural disasters. There are places in the world where Mother Nature really goes brutal and out of our limit to prevent it. From deadly volcanic eruptions to islands full of dangerous animals, there are threats everywhere. So in this video, we will see the most unsafe places to be on planet Earth. These places are avoided for most general public, but some of them are very close to human settlements. So let's take a look to the top 5 dangerous places on Earth, where nature is mostly like to kill you.
5.
Lake Nyos was formed in a volcanic crater created as recently as 400 years ago. The lake is situated into the northwest region of Cameroon. Crater lakes commonly have high levels of CO2 as they are formed by the volcanic activities happening miles beneath them. Under normal circumstances, this gas is released over time as the lake water turns over. Nyos is one of the only 3 known exploding lakes to be saturated with carbon dioxide in this way. In 1986, possibly as the result of a landslide, Lake Nyos suddenly emitted a large cloud of CO2, which suffocated and killed 1,746 people and 3,500 livestock in nearby towns and villages. It was the first known large-scale asphyxiation caused by a natural event. Still today, the lake also poses a threat because its natural wall is weakening. A geological tremor could cause this natural levee to go away, allowing water to rush its downstream villages all the way into Nigeria and allowing large amount of carbon dioxide to escape.
4.
Yellowstone National Park spans an area of 3,468.4 square miles, comprising lakes, canyons, rivers, and mountain ranges. The park is located and touches 3 different states in USA: Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. Yellowstone Lake is one of the largest high-elevation lakes in North America and is centered over the Yellowstone caldera, the largest supervolcano on the continent. The caldera is considered an active volcano. It has erupted with tremendous force several times in the last 2 million years. According to the United States Geological Survey, even if it does erupt, it's unlikely to be a super eruption, which would at minimum unleash 1,000 cubic kilometers of fresh volcanistic material. Geothermal attractions are one of the most dangerous natural features in Yellowstone. In June 2006, a 6-year-old Utah boy suffered serious burns after he slipped on a wet boardwalk in the Old Faithful area. The boy fell into hot water that had erupted from nearby West Triplet Geyser. He survived.
3.
Sinabung volcano is located in the Karo Regency of North Sumatra, Indonesia. Mount Sinabung erupted after a century-long hiatus in August 2010 and has been continuously active since September 2013. Total erupted volume from 2010 to the end of 2015 was estimated at 0.16 cubic kilometer dense rock equivalent. A pyroclastic flow in May 2016 killed 7 people. Between 2013 and 2014, the alert for a major event was increased with no significant activity. On June 2, 2015, the alert was increased again, and on June 26, 2015, at least 10,000 people were evacuated. Villages were coated in ash and airline pilots were given the highest alert for the reason. Government officials handed out face masks to the citizens of the island and advised them to stay indoors due to the potentially dangerous air quality. Sinabung has the 43rd deadliest volcano eruption in history by death toll. Other sensors on NASA satellites have also been monitoring Sinabung. According to the data from Calypso, some debris and gas from the latest series of the eruption appears to have risen 15 to 18 kilometers in the atmosphere.
2.
Africa's Sahel region faces many complex and interconnected challenges. Sahel is a transitional zone separating the Sudan savanna on the south and the Saharan desert to the north. The area is located in the northern part of Africa, stretching from the Red Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. Climate risk, food insecurity, and communal violence are the key factors that are pushing the region into one of the dangerous zones on the Earth from decades. Climate change is partly to blame. The United Nations estimated that roughly 80% of the Sahel's farmland is degraded. Temperatures that are rising 1.5 times faster than the global average. As a result, droughts and floods are growing longer and more frequent, undermining food production. Besides natural calamities, the region's violent conflict are contagious. Terrorist organizations including Boko Haram, Al-Qaeda is the Islamic Maghreb operating in the Sahels have contributed to the violence, extremism and instability of the region.
1.
Snake Island is an island off the coast of Brazil in the Atlantic Ocean. The island is small in size and has many different types of terrain, ranging from bare rock to rainforest and a temperate climate. It is the only home of the critically endangered venomous golden lancehead pit viper, which has a diet of birds. The snakes became trapped on the island when rising sea levels cover up the land that connected to the mainland. The snake's venom is said to be 3 to 5 times stronger than any mainland snakes. Also, it is capable of melting human flesh, and a human bitten by it can be dead within an hour. Snake Island is uninhabited, but people used to live there for a short period up to the late 1920s when, according to the legend, the local lighthouse keeper and his family were killed by the vipers that slither in through the windows. Snake Island is not a place to visit, and in fact, it is not legal to go there without permission, making it more even scarier than he originally thought. We come up with new amazing videos every week, so subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will be notified when we upload a new video. Till then, see you.